In this video, I'll show you how to write C/C++ code in a text editor like Visual Studio Code or sublime-text, and then compile and run that code from the command line. The first step is to download a compiler. The compiler we will use comes with the MinGW runtime environment. First, go to this website. There's a link in the description of this video. Then click on Downloads and look under pre-built toolchains and packages. There are many different options depending on your needs and which operating system you use. We are interested in this one called MinGW W64 builds. So go ahead and click on that. Next, click on this link here, which will take you to GitHub. We want to download the newest version, which at the time of making this video is 12.2.0. There are a few different packages to choose from. I will grab this package here. The compiler inside builds 32-bit programs, which will run on both 32-bit and 64-bit operating systems. If you want to build 64-bit programs, you can choose one of the bottom 4 packages instead. When the download is complete, we have this 7-zip file, which must be extracted. You need a program like 7-zip to do that. If you don't have it, then pause the video and download it. I'll put a link in the description. Okay, now right-click on the archive, choose 7-zip and extract files. It doesn't matter where you extract it to, but avoid any path containing spaces. They can sometimes cause problems. I'll just extract it to my C drive. Next, go to the directory that you extracted to. Open this folder. Then MinGW32 and bin. This folder contains a bunch of tools, including G++, which is a C++ compiler. There is also GCC, which is a C compiler. We want to make everything in this folder readily available from the command line. To do that, copy the path to this folder and open the settings for your environment variables. Here we will edit the path variable. Just press New and paste the path to the bin folder. Great. Let's test if that worked. Try opening a command prompt and type in G++ --version. If you see a message like this one, then everything seems to be working. Alright, let's compile and run a simple C++ Hello World program. I will use Visual Studio Code to write the program, but you can use any editor you want. For VS Code, I highly recommend that you install this extension for C and C++. Okay, let's click Open Folder and create a new one for the project. Now we can add a new C++ file. Here I will write a program that simply prints Hello World to the console. You can copy and paste it from the description if you want to. I'll save this file in the projects folder. Great. Now it's time to compile the code. To do that, I'll open up a command prompt inside VS Code. Note that the working directory is already set to the projects folder. Now we can compile the code with G++ and run the executable. Perfect. I'll leave a few commands in the description for compiling multiple files and projects with a separate header file directory. So definitely check that out. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.